The next page is the configuration and calibration page. This will give you some basic information about how your Varistroke is currently set up, as well as allow you to configure your cylinder stroke, stability settings, and some advanced configuration options. The next page is the manual operation page. This will allow you to override any incoming demand signals and put the Varistroke into position control using the PC service tool. Now at the input configuration page, we can view the status and setup of our analog demands. The Varistroke comes with two analog demand inputs that can individually be scaled, the fault detections can be modified, and their input behavior can be set using the demand input configuration box. It also allows you to configure the behavior and scaling of your position feedbacks should you need to, and set up the two discrete inputs that are available on the Varistroke. This is a similar page for the analog outputs and discrete outputs present on the Varistroke. Here you can configure the functionality and behavior of both the discrete outputs and the analog outputs of the actuator. This is the alarms and shutdowns page. This allows you to view the current status of all the internal diagnostics the Varistroke has. This also gives you some information on the supply voltage, the actuator drive current. This page will also allow you to reset any current alarms or shutdowns and reset the logging function, which we'll talk about in more detail later. Let's get started with calibration.